What you're meant to do if you're about to fly your drone and you check the NOTAMs, Notice to Airmen, and it tells you there's a major military exercise happening in your area. One option would be not to fly. That might be sensible. But there was a phone number at the bottom and it just said caution. So I phoned the number just to check what was happening, explained what I was doing. I was going to take photographs. The guy was very nice. He asked where I was doing it. I said Achilty Buoy. He couldn't spell that, so I spelt it for him. He couldn't pronounce it either to his colleagues by the sounds of it. He checked the time, where I am, and said that's fine. There's like aircraft carriers and warships offshore and planes that can jam GPS signals. You might think, I'm not flying. Notice to Airmen. But as long as you're within your permissions, that's surface to 400 feet, and if you check with the military first, they're very friendly. If they say no, don't do it. But I'd recommend phoning them, just in case. If you're thinking of coming to Scotland to take photographs and fly your drone, please check the link below. The Civil Aviation Authority's got great information about how to fly safely, but also considerately not to bother the locals, or the sheep, or the birds, or anyone, actually. So please check out that link. Thanks for watching. Share this, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. Bye.